Hey guys, welcome back to Tracks and Tires. Today I'm just getting ready to install these new mounts onto the back of my John Deere 450. I spent a bit of time this morning beveling the edges and a little bit more grinding and stuff. And yeah, stay tuned while you catch up on what's going on. In one of my previous videos, I had these new plates cut out on a CNC plasma table. It's a 1-inch plate and a 5/8 plate. I had them put together, I welded them, and drilled all the holes through it. So these plates are going to be welded right onto the back of my John Deere, onto the original mounts here. I did a bit of the grinding and everything to get it ready. I also beveled each end here, so hopefully they can slide on smoothly. The measurements are almost exact, so the inside of these two plates are going to meet the outside of these plates, and then I'll be able to weld my seams. I didn't show it, but I just made a 1/8 plate that's going to be a spacer, and I put it in here. I had to drill the holes this morning and everything, and that way when these plates are welded on, they're not going to be perfectly tight against the machine, so at least it's going to give me 1/8 of a distance to try and line it up and everything every time I take it off. Because if it was perfectly true, I'd have to be like dead on accurate to get the machine to actually slide in place so I can bolt it on. But right now I have everything tight, so all I have to do is fire up my machine, and I have the hydraulics hooked up, and then I'll use my landing gear here to lift up the hoe and use the boom and everything to adjust my angle, and then I can back my John Deere right up to it and start welding it on. So hopefully this goes smoothly. Right on. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I'm super happy with how it turned out. I was able to get Andy to tack the plates in place. I kind of ran the hoe a little bit here, but I don't really want to move it that much until I actually get the welds like fully solid and everything. It's just tacked in place for right now. So once I get that done, I'll do another video on me using the hoe and testing it out. All right, see you later. Bye.